But if you guys keep talking, there's going to be some shit coming your way. That's all I'm saying. So if you guys want to keep talking, you can go for it, have your fun, go in the calls, I don't care what you say in the calls. But once you start posting shit on Twitter, and then once you go public talking shit, that's when I'm going to be sending people your way. When I mean people, I mean thousands of people your way, dislike botting your videos, all that shit's going to be coming. Hate threats, all of it.
Like, dislike one and fuck their channels.
Of course, dude, of course.
I even got people coming hating on me, hating on my videos, and I'm like,
oh, Nico, dude, this is just the beginning, bro. Dude, I'm warning you now. This is the fucking beginning. I just tweeted about it. I got a fucking 1,000 people on my channel, 1,000 active people plus that will come and that will literally make you quit YouTube. That's the thing. So this is the thing. You stop here, everything's kosher, everything's good, we move on. If not, shit's going to go downhill from here on out. I'm going to move on. My fans aren't. They're going to keep coming. I'm going to keep mentioning it every day. I'm just going to keep letting them know. Check the description, guys. I got 5 channels new today. I want you to go to those channels. I want you to dislike all their videos. I want you to comment on all their videos, harass them, everything.